Now let's talk about financial knowledge for business. Having strong financial knowledge is essential for business success because it supports decision making in budgeting, investing, pricing, and understanding financial health. Now let's talk about the core areas of financial knowledge that are beneficial for business owners and managers. First is financial statements and analysis. This includes income statement that shows revenue, expenses, and net profit, helping understand your profitability. Next is cash flow statement, which tracks cash inflows and outflows, helping you manage liquidity or payment of short-term obligations. Another is the balance sheet, which lists assets, liabilities, and equity, revealing your business financial position. Another is ratio analysis, which shows key metrics like profitability, liquidity, and solvency ratios, revealing financial health and operational efficiency. Second is budgeting and forecasting. Creating a budget allows you to allocate resources effectively and avoid overspending. Forecasting helps predict future revenues and expenses, enabling proactive planning and adjustment. Third is cost management. Understanding fixed and variable costs helps in setting prices and controlling expenses. Break-even analysis can help you determine the minimum sales required to cover costs and start making a profit. Fourth is pricing strategy. Knowledge of cost base, value base, and competition based pricing helps you set effective prices. Pricing impacts profit margin, so understanding market positioning and customer willingness to pay is crucial. Fifth is working capital management. Efficiently managing cash, inventory, and receivables is critical to meeting short-term obligations. Proper working capital management ensures you have enough resources to cover day-to-day expenses without taking on excessive debt. Six is investment and capital structure. Making informed investment decisions supports business growth and expansion. Understanding the balance between debt and equity financing helps in building a sustainable capital structure. Seventh is risk management. Identifying financial risks such as credit, market, and operational risk is key to minimizing potential losses. Insurance, diversification, and hedging are common risk mitigation techniques. Eight is taxation and compliance. Familiarity with business tax regulations ensures compliance and avoids costly penalties. Knowledge of tax deductions and credits can help minimize taxable income. Ninth is financial modeling and forecasting. Financial models help in simulating future business scenarios, assessing project viability, and evaluating potential outcomes. Forecasting revenue, expenses, and profit can support strategic planning and attract investors. And last is valuation and exit strategy. Understanding valuation methods is essential for determining the worth of your business, which is especially valuable if seeking investment or planning an exit. An exit strategy, whether through sale, merger, or succession planning, prepares the business for a smooth transition in the future. Thank you and happy learning!